Hey guys, here's a quick video to showcase the bust if you buy it or receive it from the Kickstarter or the Tribe welcome pack. So it came with the bust of the Surgeon number 6. So we have the bust, the chest. Don't worry about the line here, it's just like a weird corruption. We don't know what the issue has got, but like I printed the topless one. That is the same model and more or less the same support work, because it's just that part that is removed, and you can see you have no problem on the tits hair. So anyway, we have like the main chest. It's flat here, so you can glue it on any base you want if you prefer, if you don't like mine. You have the heads that fit perfectly, and you have the hairs that goes into here, and you have your bust. So I'm not gonna glue it because I'm gonna paint it before gluing it, but fit your need. With that, you have a simple base with that part, that pillar. So it's a custom pillar I made. I'm gonna reuse that base because I kinda like it. I guess it's fine. It fits my model well. It's a snug fit, so please don't prime it like I do. Because I needed to send off the prime because I'm a big monkey. But it fit perfectly, and you can just put the bust on top of it, and it's gonna look like that. If you don't like those details and you just want a simple pillar, there is a file with a simple pillar. I didn't print it, but basically it's just the same piece, but strip off all the details, you know, all those details in it. You got nothing. It's just a simple one if you don't like it. So because I'm planning to reuse that base later, because I did put quite a bit of work into it. If I do bust model with that is like, that base is just too small to have like enough base to make it possible to support, in the sense that it can tilt and fall off if like the model is way off center. Or if you like a bigger base, I have like those 4 parts. So it's just one part, you print it 4 times, and it's just gonna fit at the base like that. And you put that part on top. So I can show because it's not glued. So if I take these 2 pieces, as you can see, when it's fit together, you're not gonna see the seams because the seams is part of the model, so you can't see the seam at all. And if I hold it like that, you have the seam on top, but because you put the base on top, you don't see anything. If I can put the base more or less in place, so you have your natural seams like where it would be, but like don't show it. It's gonna be look like a big piece. And so that's it. That was a quick video to showcase the bust. Hopefully that helped you if you have any kind of problem or any kind of doubt about this bust. And that's it. See you in the next video if you stick around.